A courtroom bombshell today in the case of that mass shooting in Wilkinsburg. A judge threw out the charges against one of the two people charged in that shooting. Pam Surano is live at the Allegheny County Jail right now, where that man is expected to be released. Pam.
Kim, Robert Thomas is expected to walk out of the doors here at the Allegheny County Jail at some point as a free man. Now today, the DA and the defense asked for a new jury. That request was denied, and the trial for the shootings that was supposed to begin with two defendants instead began with only one. Robert Thomas faced a list of charges earlier today. He was supposed to be the second defendant in the trial for the shooting deaths of multiple people March 9th, 2016, during a backyard barbecue at this home on Franklin Avenue in Wilkinsburg. Thomas's attorney sought to dismiss charges after prosecutors decided against putting key witness number 3 on the stand. That witness allegedly confessed to the killing of a 15-month-old boy during a drive-by shooting at a separate picnic in the East Hills in 2013. At the time, the district attorney said the Wilkinsburg killing was a revenge killing with a targeted victim, a friend of the now only defendant standing trial, Surano Shelton. In the trial that began against Shelton today, the Commonwealth said he fired 30 bullets. Defense attorney Randall McKinney said Shelton played no role in what happened. One witness, Tanya Cunningham, says she went to the barbecue with friend Tina Shelton. Tina was one of the victims who died. Tanya says she saw someone point a gun over the fence but couldn't recognize who it was. Shots went off and everyone ran to the back porch. She called 911 and kept screaming, "Tina, talk to me," when she realized her friend was shot. That 911 call was played in court and Cunningham sobbed. Wilkinsburg detective Mike Adams also took the stand, testifying he was on routine patrol that night. He says he heard gunshots go off and stopped his car and says he saw a man getting into the car. He says he didn't get a good look at him but made a mental note of the license plate. The man in the car is believed to be Surano Shelton, but Detective Adams says he didn't realize at the time he could be a suspect. Prosecutors said they plan on seeking capital punishment if Surano Shelton is convicted of first-degree murder. His trial will resume in the morning. KDKA will bring you those updates. Reporting live at the Allegheny County Jail, Pam Surano, KDKA News.